In this video, you will discover how to search for a credit note within the credit notes list. There are three main search types: credit note ID, credit note number, and customer name. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the credit notes section. Next, click on the search bar to initiate the search process. First, I'll demonstrate searching by credit note ID, using both partial text and full text. Let's observe the results. Full text. Correct. Partial text. Correct again. Now I'll search by credit note number. To obtain the credit note number, please utilize the final segment of the quote URL. Let's paste it into the search bar. Correct. Finally, I'll search by the customer name associated with the credit note. We can employ both partial text and full text for this method. Let's give it a try. Full text. Correct? Partial text. Correct as well. Congratulations. We've successfully executed credit note searches using three distinct methods. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.